Welcome, today I'm here with me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on that device. So first let's just see which wallpaper we have on the lock screen, and now let's just to change it we should launch the settings application, and after that we should click here to the lock screen launcher and tab, then tap here to wallpaper, and we can select our new device wallpaper from our device gallery, from previously taken photo on our device camera, or download it from the internet, or also we can use our default wallpapers. So for example, click here to more and let's use just this one if you want. Also we can select just not the dynamic but static wallpapers here. So for example, let's use this one. Click here set, and we wanna use this wallpaper on the lock screen, so just click here. Now we have here the message that this wallpaper set successfully, and let's check, and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our device. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while your device screen, and after that on the left down corner you'll see here the wallpaper icon. Just click here once on the icon, and by the same way select one from this wallpapers. For example, let's use this one, or just this. Click to apply, tap to the lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.